Some of today's most popular careers may not survive this decade. Junior software developer, QA tester, technical support executive. Hundreds of millions of jobs gone. But here's what nobody is telling you. 3 brand new careers are being built right now. High paying, in demand, and almost no student knows about them. Career 1, AI prompt engineer. Companies are offering top tier, high budget salaries, not for coding, but for people who know how to communicate with AI at an expert level. This is not about writing code. It is about understanding how AI thinks and knowing exactly what to ask. Look at this. Complex code on one side, one simple chat message on the other. And here is the best part. You can start building this skill today. Zero investment, Coursera, deeplearning.ai, LinkedIn Learning, free courses, free badges, free start. The job exists. The training exists. The only missing piece is you. Career 2, AI ethics officer. As AI becomes more powerful, organizations need people to ensure it operates without causing harm, legally, socially, ethically. Think of it as the human conscience inside every AI system. One side, the machine. Other side, you. This role sits at the intersection of law, psychology, and technology. No pure tech background required. And the compensation? Rising fast, because the stakes have never been higher. Students today want purpose alongside a paycheck. This career gives you both. Career 3, human AI liaison. Companies are deploying AI across every department, but most employees do not know how to work with it. Most leaders do not know how to manage it. The human AI liaison is the bridge. They translate between what the business needs and what the AI can actually do. Part communicator, part strategist, part problem solver. And here is the thing. This is the most human role in the entire AI era. Empathy, clarity, critical thinking. Things AI still cannot replace. But companies will pay for someone who has all 3 and understands AI too. While most people are preparing for yesterday's jobs, you can prepare for tomorrow's. Follow to build the skills the AI era is hiring for.